Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Have you ever heard the expression, you don't know what you've got until it's gone? That is how I felt when my microwave door handle broke because there was no way to open the microwave and use it without the handle. So I was so happy to find that Lifetime Appliance has a replacement door handle for my microwave. And this is even an older model. So again, I was really concerned I wouldn't be able to find anything that fit properly, but they had one that fit the model that I have, even though it's older, and I was able to get it installed and get back to using my microwave with no issues. So the install was pretty simple. You do have to kind of take apart the door a little bit to be able to unscrew the old ones and get the new screws in and hold it securely. But once we were able to do that, get it installed, it is working flawlessly, and I am so happy that I didn't have to replace the whole microwave or the whole door or anything, just the little door handle. So this was awesome and super happy with this, and that's my point of view.